What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. And for those of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan and it's a pleasure to meet each and every one of y'all. Well, we're not really meeting, but I'm introducing myself to y'all. And for those of you guys who are returning and been with me for a while, thanks again for showing up. Now, as you can see, yes, the garage is empty. We got the train, uno momento. Alrighty guys, we are back. Sorry about that. We have a train that always comes through the backyard. Literally directly behind this wall there's a train. I'll show you guys later on in the episode. But so today I'm just gonna clean up the garage, but while I'm doing that I decided to make this video here because one of our viewers, R-Press is his name, he asked me about tools and what their applications are actually used for. So if I can do like a walkthrough on each tool and basically what their application is for from what I can understand. So let's just jump right into it. Alrighty, so you guys can see me clear, hopefully. We got some sunlight coming in, which it's kind of, sun's going down because it gets darker earlier here right now in the time being. But here we have, for an example, R-Press, we have, or whoever's watching, we have a 1/4 inch and then 3/8 on this side. So 1/4 inch applications, I would use them for like 10mm bolts on like sides that doesn't really need heavy duty tightening, that you don't need much leverage for. You can always use a little 1/4 inch ratchet, something like this. This is for the really small to easy applications of the 10mm bolts, 12mm bolts that aren't put on so tight and don't need a lot of torque behind it. The 3/8 side, they are for, in my opinion, the heavier duty applications, mid to heavier duty applications, where you need a little bit of torque to break them off. But the good thing about this, it extends and it has different like levels of extension. Thing is, you don't need this much extension on a 1/4 inch because you're going to break whatever bolt you're turning with a 1/4 inch. If you're going to use a 1/4 inch, it has to be a really small bolt, like an 8, a 9, a 10, 11, 12. That's what I use 1/4 inch for. 3/8, I use them for like 13 and up. After this, let's put this away. We do have the 1/2 inch application. Where's that one? We do have the 1/2 inch applications, which I use this for like 17, 18, 19 mil, 20 mil, anything further up. That's what I use this for. If I'm trying to turn my, oh crap, I got some, I just washed my hands too. I got some anti-seize on it, but anyway. So we use this for those applications. I use it for like turning my crank, trying to use it to release the tension on the belts, the serpentine belts and so far. But anything that's heavy duty, crank pulley, I really use a gun, air gun or something like that, or electric gun. What else do I use this for? I'd probably use this on really tougher bolts that I need more leverage than I can get with the 3/8, because this is my 3/8 and look how much extra leverage you get with the 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch is great for heavy duty applications. And then obviously you go up to bigger and better ones, such as the 3/4 or the 1 inch ratchets. Those are for like the Geronimo stuff, like trucks. If you're working on heavy duty trucks and stuff like that, that's what those are for. And if you see me looking down a lot, it's because I'm putting away my tools while we're talking and doing this. But yeah, so usually those things will be used in applications like the 1 inch and the 3/4 inch. Those will be used in heavy duty applications. Like I've used those when I was working on diesel trucks, like the semi trucks and stuff. I use those on applications such as, that's not the right spot. So I use those in applications such as doing wheel seals on the trailers, on tractor trailers and stuff. And those helped break it loose because you need a lot of leverage and they're heavy duty, man. Honestly, they're super heavy duty. Do I like working on big rigs like that? So much easier than cars because there's so much space. But then again, I also am not into it because everything's so heavy. I'm not that big of a guy. I'm, like I said, I'm 5'2", 5'3" on a good day. And it's like, I know I'm very short, but who cares? It is what it is. I can't grow anymore, guys. I can't grow anymore. If I could, I would do it. but I can't, so I just have to accept the body that I was given. And at least I'm hot though, I think. But anyway, so yeah, I'm not really all that into it much. I did like it for a time being, but it's too much heavy lifting, too much heavy work, and it gets annoying after some time. And tires, gosh, I hate tires. Everyone who knows me knows how much I hate tires on anything. I just don't like doing tires at all. That's just a me thing, I guess. What else we got? There are different types of wrenches, like regular standard wrenches. We have little stubby ones, such as this, or we even have medium-sized ones. Like, so I use this in tough-to-reach application places, such as like exhaust manifolds, places that I need to just hold the nut in while I ratchet down the bolt or air gun the bolt. That doesn't need a lot of torque. For example, I use this and this in the Corolla. This one was used during the putting on the exhaust onto the manifold in the back. I just needed my dad to hold a nut or me to hold a nut, and I just zapped it down with the gun. And this one I used on the motor mount in the back because it had enough leverage for me to hold easy, and then I zapped that down with the gun, and bam. So these come in awesome variety, shapes, and sizes, and it's worth getting stubby, medium, and regular standard. And they have long ones too for like water pump bolts and stuff like that. Those things come in handy as well. One thing I like doing is always making sure that my tools are back in their place. I always like making sure my tools are back in their place because I hate misplacing tools. Usually I like to put them back while I'm working, but yeah, usually things like engine rebuilds and stuff, I never put these tools back because I always need them and I'm always using them. So there's no point in really putting them back when you're gonna need them. Also, we have extensions. We have impact extensions for the gun, and we have regular extensions for the ratchets. Definitely worth picking up impact stuff. Look, guys, everything I talk about, I will leave in the description for y'all. But impact stuff with the guns, so much durable, they don't crack. Because I have cracked a bunch of these using them on impact. Same things with impact sockets. They sell these things for a reason, guys. Don't be using your chrome ones, because that's how you break them. There is so much trash everywhere. I didn't get the time to clean up after repairing the car. So I'm using this time to do it while we are doing this video because this is the only time I'm gonna have, and it makes great content, and at least you guys can see me doing something else while talking to you guys about the applications of tools. So yeah. So another thing that came in handy was these bungee cords, and they helped me hold a lot of things out the way. One helped hold the wire harness out the way. One helped hold the power steering pump out the way. One also helped hold the AC condenser out the way. And the other one held something else out the way. I'm not 100% sure, but they all held something and they all had a purpose. So we're just gonna put them back where they belong. Get in there. Snap-on socket. Put that back where it belongs, guys. Always put the tools back. I always like wiping down my tools as well, keeping everything clean as it should be. I'm missing a 19 mil and I'm missing a 19 mil impact socket, and it should be somewhere. Oh, guys, I have this drain bucket, which is awesome, but I don't ever drain oil in this because it's a pain when it comes time to drain it. So what I do is take another drain bucket, put it on top, and I have it to lower up and down when I'm using my lift. Slip joints, extended needle nose. These come in handy when I'm doing the So these come in handy when I'm doing the radiator hoses or radiator hoses, however y'all want to say them. Everyone always makes fun of me because I guess I say it wrong, but I don't care. Whatever. Y'all get the concept of exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, they come in handy when you are using them for those hoses because of the angles and the extension that helps you get. Even those little vacuum hoses and stuff, they do come in handy, guys. Wow, I am such a slob when it comes to doing work. Like, I just have things left all over the place. You know what? Let's clean up real quick. Alrighty guys, so it's getting a little bit cold in here and really chilly. So I'm gonna end up cleaning up the rest of this starting tomorrow. I'll wake up when it's a little bit warmer outside and the sun is out, because right now the sun's going down, as you saw outside. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of what I had to say about tools. There is so much different tools out there, and whatever applications you guys want to know of what you can use or how you can use it, guys, just ask me in the comment section below and I will definitely tell you. Leave a comment in the comment section below asking and about what tools you want to know about, what do you want me to review about, and I will do it for y'all. I got y'all back, don't worry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. R-Press, I hope this helped you as well. I hope I somewhat answered your question, if I understood it correctly. If I didn't, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll correct whatever I didn't answer for you. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick episode. Sorry I'm pacing back and forth. I just have too much energy, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure you like the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure that you subscribe and also hit that like button, guys. It helps with the YouTube algorithm for this channel to grow. Guys, I want this channel to grow. I want to take it somewhere. If you guys like the channel and help me boost it up, guys, it'll help me afford more projects for this channel, and it'll allow me to buy things to help you guys see whatever it is that you guys want to see about. If you guys want me to do tool reviews, let me know. If you guys want me to do a car build, let me know. By helping support this channel, by liking it, it'll help me get paid on this channel, and while I'm getting paid, I can save up that money and buy different projects for y'all. Everything on this channel is gonna be 100% transparent. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Anything that you guys want to know, just seriously ask me, and I got y'all. I'll answer it. And I did promise that I'll show y'all where the train is, so let me show you guys real quick before we take it out. Y'all thought I was joking when I said the train was behind my yard? That's the tracks right there, y'all. Tracks is right there. Shop. Train. Shop. Train. Alrighty, guys, so you see, I was not kidding around with y'all. That's how close I am to the train. But with that being said, guys, peace out, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.